Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about the similarity of a triangles. In the last session also I explained, then now also I am going to repeat this concept. Now see here, a similar triangle means it is the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Very important point. Size means the length of a side are not compulsory, it should be a same. Shape should be the same. Why? Because the corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal and the sides are in the same ratio. Means we can say that the sides are in a proportion. Same ratio means in a proportion. For example, see in these two triangles, y is equal to y, x is equal to this x, z is equal to z. So these angles are of equal measure. If this is 50, this is also 50. If it is 60, then this is also 60. Like this, every angle, corresponding angles are of equal measure. Therefore, the shape of the triangle is same. Therefore, the shape of triangle is same, but the sides are in a equal proportion. Means they are in a same ratio. To test of a similar triangle if two corresponding angles are equal, if x is equal to x, z is equal to z, then automatically y is equal to y. So by if we are showing only two angle equal, then we have to mention their A test. Yes. If your three sides are in equal proportion, that is A upon P is equal to B upon Q equal to C upon R, then we can say that these two triangles are similar by SSS test. And SAS test. SAS means these two sides are in equal proportion, and side angle, the angle between, including angle, corresponding proportional sides including angle is x. If they are in equal proportion, then these two triangles are in a side angle side test. They are similar to each other. So what is important? Now if you are not remember this, no problem. What is important? Important is that the shape of the two triangles should be same. Why the shape is same? Because if two triangles are similar, then their angles are of equal measure. Sides are in a proportion, but angles are in a equal measure. Okay, and therefore their shape is a same. Corresponding sides are equal measure and corresponding angles are equal measure. Corresponding sides in a proportion and angle are equal measure. So don't be confused. So understood? So all these points you have to mention in your notebook. Now see, for example, I am going to show you. Now see, GH, where it is GH upon JK. If you are observing these two triangles are of equal shape, GH upon JK is equal to HI upon KL and GI upon JL. 2.5 upon 5, that is 1 by 2. 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. And 2 by 4, that is also equal to 1 by 4. It means that these two triangles are triangle GHI is similar to triangle JKL. Okay, this symbol is a little bit wrong. This is just this. Okay, this is the symbol for the similarity. Okay, next, now see the question based on the similarity of a triangle. See, this is the symbol for the similarity and don't put a opposite. This is the correct symbol. Now in the question, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN. Write the corresponding angle of the two triangle and write the ratios of their corresponding side. X is equal to L. Okay, Y is equal to M and Z is equal to N. Means these corresponding angles are of similar triangle are equal, and XY upon LM, this is remain, sorry students, xy upon lm, that is equal to ym upon yz upon mn, that is equal to xz upon ln. And it means that this corresponding side are of similar triangles are in a same ratio. The ratio should be same. Okay. So similarly, the next question, see. Triangle XYZ, what is given? XY is 4, YZ is 6 and XZ is 5. XYZ sides are given and it is said that these two triangles are of similar. XYZ is similar to PQR and PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Then what we have to find out? The remaining side. XY upon PQ, again here remain students. XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR equal to XZ upon PR. So 4 upon 8, because what is given? XY is 4 and PQ is 8. Therefore 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 by upon QR is equal to 5 by PR. 4 upon 8 is 1 by 2, and therefore what we can find out? By taking these, you can easily find out by the cross multiplication. QR is equal to 6 into 8 divided by 4, or you can find out by taking a ratio also. What you will get? QR. Similarly 5 upon PR is equal to 4 by 8, because a corresponding side of similar triangles are in a same ratio. Very important. Are in a same ratio, and according to that you will get the value of PR. What you will get? 5, 4, it is equal to 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10. Now think. Draw a sketch of a pair of a similar triangle, label them and show their corresponding angle by the same sign. Show the length of corresponding side by number in a proportion. Now see, in a triangle GHI and triangle STU, G is equal to S, H is equal to T, I is equal to U. So G is equal to S, H is equal to T and I is equal to U. Why? Because it is given by the symbol, and therefore this GHI is similar to STU. If you are observing the side ratio 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is also 1 by 2, and therefore their one-to-one correspondence is G is equal to S, H is equal to T, angle I is equal to U. So this is the answer of this question. Now next question, one which is from textbook, your page number 50. We have learned that if two triangles are equiangular, then their sides are in a proportion. What do you think? If two quadrilaterals are equiangular and are the sides in a proportion, draw the different figure and verify the same for other polygons. If two quadrilaterals are equiangular, then their sides will not necessarily be a proportion. Now see, two quadrilateral are of same type. Consider that square ABCD and PQRS. So angle A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R and D is equal to S. Then AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CD upon SR is equal to AD upon PS. Similarly, two quadrilateral of different type. It means that maybe their angles are equal. A is equal to S, B is equal to T, C is equal to U and D is equal to V. But AB and these two sides are in a proportion, but AB is not AB upon ST. AB upon ST is not proportional to the BC upon TU. So they are of different types. Okay, it is necessary that when two triangles, this is about the quadrilaterals. Okay, about the triangle I already taught you. So understood all these points, all these questions you have to mention. Now I thought that everyone's similarity concept will clear out by watching this video. Okay students, so mention all the things in your notebook and try to understand.